Okay, I got a disc lock here. I don't have a key for it. It's a Do It brand. Never heard of it. It's 70mm 5-pin. So I have picked it open. Matter of fact, it was a job yesterday that I picked it open for, so I got the lock out of it. As you see, it's locked. So we'll start with the back here. Alright, 1, 2, 3. That was on 3. Okay, well, not much of a padlock, I would say. Never heard, like I said, never heard of Do It. But I guess I'll send it on to a new picker or somebody, maybe. But there it is. And lock back up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be good, be safe, be legal. And hopefully, or I'll be doing this Federal 400 next. 6-pin. So, I believe it's 6. But this is next. Alright. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.